Hi there and welcome back. It's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello. Today it's Make It Monday and we are doing circles. So last week we made some circle notepads and we're going to make some circle pockets and tags. So we've just got three. I have made three off screen, which I'll show you at the end. So I'm going to stencil all the backgrounds first, just so we've got something down. And I'm going to use the Timber Brown Stays On because I think it will show up better than, you know, Distress ink. So the biggest circles will be the backs of the pocket. And then the tags are either 1 or 2 sizes smaller than the circles. So that's a tag and that's a pocket. So they just yeah, I think there was 2 smaller than the other one. And then to get the pockets, you just do a circle the same size as your back and cut it in half, and that's your pocket. So I shall stencil this like so. That's going to end up, it keeps sticking up. Okay, and that on. That's a bit better. I have to try and avoid that bit that's coming up. Okay, I'm going to say this is one of my favourite stencils. Okay, so they've all got something in the background. I've already inked around them and I've done that in Vintage Photo. So the backs of the pockets aren't having any thing on them. I might put a little label or a word, but apart from that, they're not having anything on them. And the tags are just going to have a bird on them. So, because I'm making the pockets into a nest, so when the tag's in, it looks as if the bird is sitting on the actual nest. Now I think they're still a little bit too plain, so I think I shall get I'll do it in black. So I did mean to change this stamp, but I didn't. I filled my glues up like I've been saying for the last however many videos I have done that. Oh, that's not too bad actually. So that will just give the tag a little bit more interest. Okay, so I did that with the Jet Black Archival. Pop that back up there. So let me see which way I want them. Okay, so I'm just going to place that there as if it was in the pocket. I've already inked the birds up. What are you doing in here, Colin? He's standing right next to me. Right, and then I obviously can't go no higher than that because of his tail. I've just shut the door. I can say Ryan's on a afternoon. He's just gone to work, and a dog has barked on the street because obviously Ryan's just gone in his car. And yeah, Colin thinks that he's got to scare the dog off because his dad's not in. So we're going to pop him towards the top. Mind you, I mean, Ryan always says to him when he leaves, look after your mum. So, you know, he's only doing as he's been told to do. Yeah, he'll always say, look after your mum while I'm at work. Bless him. Right, I don't know how this one, well, oh yeah, to be fine. So again, it needs going right near the top. I think on Sunday I'm going to, or Saturday, I don't know which one it'll be. I've already made some bird things up, which are now, you know, I've either got tags without pockets or pockets without tags. So I think before I get any further, I'm going to, you know, make the tags for the pockets and the pockets for the tags. So at the end of the you know, when I'm ready to make journals or whatever I'm making, I've not got a load of random things. So they're the tags. Again, they could probably do with a word or something, shouldn't they? Couldn't they? Shouldn't they? Either or. So I would probably put a number on those. So let's just, I've got a shabby-dabby-doo-dah. And another shabby-dabby-doo-dah. I do like these ones, and I like the colours that she's done them in. So number 5 and number 6. Can we find number 7 or number 3? I don't think so. Oh, got a number 1. Let's put the lighter one on the dark one and that one on. Okay, that's enough of that. musical numbers, moving from one spot to another. So we'll just put these on so they've got a bit of something else. And I don't want to, you know, put any material on to back the numbers or anything, because they're only small pockets. There's obviously no gusset, so they do want to be flat. And because I'm going to try and create a nest, obviously there'll be enough bulk on the pocket. Well, they're not going to be, you know, big bulky things, but they'll be bulky enough without adding anything else. So that's that, and then we'll pop that one on there, like so. Okay, so I'll just pop those out of the way for now, like that. And then these are our pockets. So what I've got is I've got some greaseproof paper, which I've just torn a bit into strips. I've got some, this was some paper what was behind some burlap, so I tore that off the back of it, and it's quite fibre-ish. This is you know, this kind of stuff which I've, you know, just ripped. I've some eyelash trim. I've this piece of like Hessian type stuff, and I've just, you know, started taking some of that off. I've got some of the deco trim, and I did have some bits of cotton somewhere, so I've got some cotton. So I'm thinking probably layer it up with some paper first, just to give it that kind of uneven top. So let's have a look how this goes. I did try to make a nest. I think it was in the live, and it was okay, but it wasn't it wasn't fabulous. But yeah, it was a spare of the, you know, off the cuff kind of, oh, I'll just make a nest. And then I thought, oh, I'm gonna have a real go at making a nest. So let's stick this down like so. And it's quite interesting, this paper, what was behind that burlap. Stick this down, and it's actually better like on the back side. It's more textured. That's what I'm trying to say. So that's that. Then should we possibly, I don't know why I actually stenciled that, I suppose in case you see any behind it. So I don't know how this is going to build up. I've not made one off screen. The other, I'll put this along the bottom actually. The other ones that I made off screen aren't nests. So yeah, they may look ridiculous, but we'll see. I'm giving it a go. The first thing I made was on screen was a circle, pocket and tag. I think I don't know if they was birds. I definitely did some bee ones at some point. I do like circles. They just a bit different because we don't use them all the time. So let's put some of this behind it first. So if I get some scissors like so. And just stretch it out a bit. And I'm going to put that across there. I'm going to use the Fabri-Tac because this Art Deco stuff is it's very like plastic type thing. Okay. Let's put this here. As long as they represent something like a nest. It would have been nice if I'd got some small sticks, you know, from the garden, really tiny. But I've not been outside, and I would have, you know, needed to get them and then be dried and what have you. But yeah, that would have been very fun. So let's try and fill this in with this. I think once the bird's on as well, you know, we're gonna know what it is. It's only an interpretation of. Okay, so what shall I go with next? Maybe some cotton. If not, well, I'll put cotton on one. I really want it bunched up. In fact, I'm going to put it there, like so. The thing is, when you do look at nests, I mean, they make them absolutely amazing, don't they? It's like, you know, they're all weaved together and all the rest of it. So they're very, very clever, birds are. Especially from, you know, stuff what's outside. Okay, so that's that one. Then we'll use some of the wool, like across there. I've probably put far too much on, but I want it to appear as if it is rounded, not flat. I'll probably have to go in again with the art glitter and make sure it's all stuck down. Let's just get that bit. Okay, what's stuck to me? Okay, yeah, it was waste time stenciling it, wasn't it? But at least I did it, and 'cause sometimes you don't know. Let's cut some of that down. It's quite I've got some on that one anyway, but I might want some more. No, I don't. Okay, put this down that side. Okay, and put that there. Okay, let's get rid of those papers so I don't keep, because I don't think we're going to be using those again. It looks like I'm going to have to build some more nests to get rid of them. Right, I'm thinking of some of this now, just you know, draped over. So we'll go like that. So I mean, you could use, you know, all sorts of things to interpretate a nest. Should have probably done it with Fabri-Tac. Nope. Let's do it with a Fabri-Tac. Okay. Yeah, I think it's coming along, isn't it? But my granddaughters would have liked to have done this. And they might have shown me up, hey? Yeah, I bet they'd have been good at this. Okay. Oh, I'm liking them. That's too much. Yeah, we'll put some there. Like so. Okay, so that's got enough of that on. Let's put a bit more on this one. Shall we just put some of these on? What's stuck to my fingers? Like so. And I'll have this bit across here, like this. Come on. Oh. I think I prefer that one, what's got more on, to be honest. Let's just put a bit across there, like that. And I think we just need a tiny bit here. Okay, so that's that. And I don't know that might be enough. I think it could be enough. Let's have a look. Where's my birds? Yeah, I think it is. So I'm gonna glue around here. Yep. And pop that on. Right, so let me just check, because obviously I can't see the edges. Yeah. So that's one. You'll have to let me know what you think. I think you'll either think they're ridiculous, or you'll be like, oh yeah, they're really nice. Good idea. But yeah, I'm really liking them. Okay, just turn it round again. That's it. So that's that one. And this one. So I'll see if I can find a decent word. Which will, mind you, I don't think it needs it, because no, I'm not going to put a word on them. No, no, no. Okay, so I can probably go in now and stick anything down that needs a bit extra. So that's them with the tags in. And then that one, I really do like them. So that's that. And then these are the ones that I made before. So I did these with grey ink at the back, because these are going to go in my grey days, what I've been doing. And yeah, so that is that. Like I say, I will pop on, I think it'll be Saturday or Sunday, like I say, I can't quite remember, because these are, you know, a complete piece. I don't think I've got many actual complete things. So I've got these what need a pocket, and I was thinking I'll get the die out and perhaps cut a big circle and have those inside, so they need doing. And I've got that card out. I've got these two pockets what I made last year, so they want two little cards going in. We made these, so these need some cards going in them. Got these, I think I made them for something else, and I got too many notepads, and I hadn't for this thing. So I've got these 3 cards out to make a pocket for those. Then I've got these postcards, which I thought, you know, nice journal cards. So I've got these dies. I don't know which this is. These are something that Violet sent me, so I thought they would be nice for those. And maybe they're to do the tags for, oh, or are they? No, they're not to do the tags for those. So that's it. All the only other things I've got in these are the toppers that I made on one of the Trash Tuesday videos, and then we've got those which are complete. So yeah, I need to do some, let's get these done before I make you know, anything else. So I shall be back Sunday or Saturday and we'll do that, and I'll put those with the grey things. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that. I'd love to see your circle pockets. So if you're in the Facebook group, come along and take a picture, and yeah, I'd be quite interested to see what you can come up with a circle pocket. So there'll be more circles next Monday. I think I've got another 3 different things that we can do. So I shall see you then. Bye for now.